Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching the camera app and switching to portrait. Do this now so you can see the depth overlay. Make sure the lens is clean and hold the iPhone steady, using grid to line up your subject. Next, tap the 1x or 0. 5 control if present. This sets your base framing and prevents accidental digital zoom before portrait activates. Once done, position the subject within the suggested distance range so portrait can initialize reliably, and you get the correct depth map. Now refine how much zoom you use. Tap the 2x button for optical telephoto when available, or gently pinch to zoom. Avoid overdoing digital zoom because it reduces quality. Use the portrait lighting options to change mood and drag the depth control slider to adjust background blur. This changes perceived zoom and subject separation. Make sure you move the phone closer or farther to stay in portrait's recommended distance, since the algorithm needs about 1/2 to 2 meters to calculate depth accurately. Finish by composing, then press the shutter or use the volume button for less shake. Use a tripod if needed. After capture, tap Edit and adjust depth to increase or decrease background blur, and reframe if you used crop or zoom. If portrait mode won't activate, make sure lighting is adequate. Then close and reopen the camera app or toggle portrait off and back on. Restarting the phone or checking for iOS updates often fixes persistent depth sensing glitches. One quick reset usually clears the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.